The guys at OHL Pro sent me this MagSafe fast charging car charger. This is so that you can put it in your car, and while you're using the phone as a GPS, presumably, or for wherever else you use the phone. I mean, for driving Uber, for doing deliveries, or for just as a GPS, you can have the phone not only be secure, but also you're going to have it charged. Magnetic, a MagSafe fast charge that will keep your phone charged at all times. So let's see how this works. So this is what comes in the box. Let me show it to you. Real nice. This is the base so that you could put it on your dash. It comes with different adapters. Real nice. These adapters look very sturdy, really well made. A charging cable. It's a USB-C charging cable, and a base so that you can put it on your dashboard, and instructions and all kinds of things. Now let's unbox this. Let's undo this to see what comes in here. This is the charger, or the charging head, and this is where you will put your phone, where you replace your phone. It has this ring right here, right? Comes with you need to take this off because this is the plastic, right? And then what you do is you put that in the back of your phone, right? You put it on the back of your phone, and then this goes right there. You see? It sticks to it, it's magnetic. And while the phone is sticking to it magnetically, while it's sticking to it magnetically right there, right? This is the what goes on your phone, and this is what goes on the base of the so you put it in there. So the way to put it in there is you unscrew this first, right? And then you can put it through here. Then you're going to have to press it, right? So it gets in there flush. There you go. You press it right. You see, you need for it to do that click. And then you're going to screw this clockwise in order to be able to secure it. So now here's the base with everything. This is the suction cup. You take this off, you put it on the dash, and it'll do a suction when you press on it. It has this reticulating arm so that you can put, so there's two ways of doing this, right? You can either put it on the dashboard like this, right? This is the dashboard, this is you, right? Or you could put it on the glass backwards, right? This is the glass, this is you, right? And then you put it on the glass, and you put it there. Just imagine that this is the phone, and you're gonna put it there, right? And what's gonna happen is that with the cable connected right here directly, I think you're gonna have to get it. Well, no, this cable is long enough, so this cable is connected here at all times, right? It's a C connection, and then you're going to connect this to to your car. If you have a C charger, right, a fast charger, a C fast charger in your car, then I recommend that you use C. But otherwise, it comes with a USB A plug. You put it right there. You plug this in. You put your phone right here, and there you go. It's gonna hold up to 17 iPhone 17 plus phones. It'll hold it there magnetically, and it's it's really convenient. Now, the importance of having these kinds of phone holders, especially if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, is that this will keep the GPS not only secure for you so that you're not holding it in your hand, but the act of having this on your dashboard where the passenger can see it is very important, because the passengers will see that the instructions, right, the GPS driving instructions that you're following are the ones from the app. And that gives the passenger a sense of security, that you're just following the rules, or you're following the path that the app is telling you. So having a phone holder, it's very important in terms of ratings and the great performance as a driver, but also the fact that this is charging your phone at the same time, because usually phone holders are just there, then you have to connect a cable to the phone, and that's it. But in this case, with iPhones, right, that they're MagSafe, you can charge it just by placing it there. So I super recommend this. Especially if you're an Uber or Lyft driver, or if you're just a driver, this is also a tool that you must have. Super recommended.